Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. A Glasgow man was arrested for attempted robbery when he stuffed a cucumber in a black sock to impersonate a gun. People who sleep more have a higher alcohol tolerance. Keeping a strong social life can lead to significantly improved memory in old age. Regular exercise, a low sodium diet, and stress management contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. One in every 153 American employees works for Amazon. Chess, one of the oldest games that is still around today, although no one knows exact location where game came from, there seems to be a consensus that game originated in India more than 1300 years ago. Studies have found that being a bad boy is no longer perceived as cool. Rabbits, apart from the blind spot in front of their nose, have nearly 360-degree panoramic vision to allow them to detect predators from all directions. If a bee decided to fly around the world, it would need about an ounce of honey as fuel. Dog's sense of smell is about 100,000 times stronger than humans, but they have just one-sixth our number of taste buds. The phrase hands down actually comes from horse racing. It's when a jockey with a big lead would relax their hold on their reins. We can judge people's good and evil by keenly watching their eyes as well as the face, not racially. The cardboard sleeve used to protect your hand for the hot coffee cup is called a zarf. Women who drink more than 2 cups of coffee a day have a higher chance of developing osteoporosis. Each armadillo has a unique head plate pattern. There are as distinct as human fingerprints. Hollywood actress Hedy Lamarr invented technology for Wi-Fi. Polar bears often hunt walruses by simply charging at a group of them and eating the ones that were crushed or wounded in the mass panic to escape. Direct attacks are rare. The snowboard was invented by an engineer. Sherman Poppin created a winter toy for his daughter. Love for his son made a 47-year-old invent first pneumatic tire. For engineers, every course apart from engineering is easy. A prisoner in jail invented modern toothbrush. William drilled some holes in a bone salvaged from his dinner, scrounged some horsehair bristles off a warden and made his first toothbrush. The first engineer known by name was the Egyptian pyramid builder Imhotep. In the Victorian era, people used rocking bathtubs. Literally, water could be set in motion by rocking, producing a sensation very much like the waves of the sea. The word engineer is derived from the Latin word ingenium, which means something like native talent or cleverness. Queen Elizabeth owns her own McDonald's. Industrial engineers can work in virtually any kind of industry or organization, including government agencies and consulting firms. First vacuum cleaner was so big it could not enter buildings and only its tubes were inserted through the windows. In 2008, Nebraska implemented a law to allow parents to drop off unwanted newborns at safe havens The law did not state an age limit, and nearly all the children abandoned were over 10 years old. One was even 17. The 5-second dog walking rule: place the back of your hand on the pavement. If you can't hold it there for 5 seconds comfortably, then it's too hot for your dog to walk on it. A cat in New Zealand tricked two different people into owning him. Neither knew they had the same cat until the cat required stitches and ended up at the vet to resolve the issue. In 1909, Vancouver revealed its first auto ambulance. On the day of the test drive, it ran over and killed a wealthy man from Austin, Texas. Ironically, this man was the first person the ambulance picked up. Your time on earth is limited. Don't try to age with grace. Age with mischief, audacity, and a great story to tell. World's deadliest bacteria act like vampires, seeking out human blood. 5 food companies sell low quality food in India. Classic salt Lays use palm oil in India. Same Lays use sunflower or corn oil in USA. Pringles too use palm oil in India. Same Pringles use sunflower oil in USA. Some Kit Kat also add only 16.1% milk solids in India but adds 25% in Australia. Skittles use allegedly cancer-causing titanium dioxide in India. Nestle adds sugar in baby food in India while adds zero sugar in Europe and USA. While FSSAI reportedly has not seen taking any action, but you as audience can spread awareness. Indians' health matters. Multinational companies should stop giving inferior and low-grade quality food products to Indians. Thanks for watching.